Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video. This is the look I'll be creating in this video. If you like it and if you want to see how I achieved it, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so first I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. The other primer I'm going to use is my Beige Cosmetic Anti-Shine. Guys, I need you to tell me if you like when I do my videos showing my face routine, or if you want me to just skip and go straight into the eyeshadow. When I watch makeup videos, I like to see what they do from the beginning, so I like to see their moisturizer, their primers and so forth, so that's why I do it. But my subscribers, you guys, my viewers, I would like for you guys to tell me if you like when I do my face routine on camera, or if you just want me to jump right into the eyeshadow. So let me know. Foundation I'm going to go in with is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation, and this is in the shade Coffee, and I'm going to just use my beauty blender and pounce it onto my skin. Guys, how the new year is, how the resolution is going. Did you make any? Are you sticking to it? Are you going to the gym? The X amount of times you say you want to go to the gym? I didn't really set any resolutions. I don't have goals, and they not need to do to reach that you those goals. Okay, I'm going to go in with this concealer. From my face, you're supposed to know which brand it's from. It's from Tarte Cosmetics. Have you guys seen their foundation range? I was so excited to try that foundation. So excited. Like, I was ready to give Tarte my point. And then I saw their shade range. I saw their shade range. And I was like, seriously? Is it? And the concealer is good. Alright, I like the concealer. I just bought it, started using it. I using it up so it can finish, so I can just get rid of it out of my life. I'm really disappointed in Tarte. I'm not surprised, but I am disappointed, if you get what I'm saying, because that's what makeup brands doing. They've been doing this crap, right? They create 15 shades, or how many shades they create? In the case with Tarte, they put out 15 shades, right? And of the 15, 13 of them are white, off-white, beige, more beige, and more beige, right? And then 2 dark shades. Like, what? And I've watched some reviews, and what the complaint is with those dark shades is their undertone is so orange. It's like, which Oompa Loompa, like, in the Tarte factory making these shades? I don't know what kind of people they have in the factory, but like, what the hell, Tarte? Really? Like, you're not just, it's not a new brand. You're not new to the makeup world. Look how Fenty come out and they have like what, 40 shades? Like, and Fenty's new. You get my say? But Rihanna did their research, and whatever other company was behind there, they did their research, and you know, she know the type of people she want to cater to, which is everybody. But Tarte, cause you make money, you just want just create white people foundation. Like I'm ready for my black sisters and brothers, for those who make up, to like not use anything from Tarte. I am ready for that boycott. I am ready for it. Seriously. I am ready for it. It's so frustrating, it's so annoying, it's so disappointing that companies feel like they can continue doing this crap. It's annoying. And then they're going to have the audacity to say that they're coming out with 10 additional shades and they did not release those 10 shades initially because we get darker in the summer. Like, bitch, what? I want to somebody go from like white, like what I call it, fair neutral or whatever, to mahogany. I want to somebody do that between winter and summer. Like, which human being can do that? But even when they release those 10 additional shades, I will not be purchasing anything from Tarte. Not at all. I highlighted contours in my face with my brows, all the jazz. As I said, if you guys are interested in, like, if you like when I put my face routine in my videos, you guys should let me know in the comment section below. If not, I'll just skip. In future videos, I'll just skip right to the eyeshadows. So for the eyeshadow, I have a look in mind, right? I didn't practice it or anything. I have a look at, I think I've seen this before actually. First, a shadow. Of course, guys, come on. The first shadow I'm going to use is from my Jhen MUA 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and it is Morocco. On top of that, I'm going to go into my Saharan 2 by Juvia's, and I'm going to take this burnt orange shade and I'm going to put it in my crease and a little in my transitional area as well, because this orange is a little bit deeper than the one just applied. And I'm going to put this in my outer V and my inner V as well. On top of that, I'm going to go in with this dark brown, and this is from the Jhen MUA Makeup V collaboration. This shade called Aphrodite. Focusing this in the outer V as well as the inner V. I'm going to add a little bit of black, and I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I had to turn off my camera for a little bit. I'm going to go in with my face powder at the lash line, just to ease my blending, like, so the shadow is at a place where you can blend easier or easily. And just like put it in the crease, that's what I'm going to do in the lash line. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is the burnt orange from the Saharan 2. Now that I kind of have that, I'm going to go in with the dark brown and put that where I have the orange. And then lastly, we're going to go in with the black. To line my eyes. Actually, I'm going to finish this eye and then line my eyes. I'm going to go wing and then I'll be right back. So guys, before I put on my lashes, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. This is from NYX. It's a glitter stack. I am not sure. Gold, copper and ruby. Oh, so I guess this is a gold glitter. This one up here, and I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Morocco, the orange shade Morocco from the Nude palette. For glow, of course, I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome. This red is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Amore. So this is the final look. How you guys feel about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? The eyes. So if you guys like this look, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you want to be a part of my family here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye. So guys, I opted to add, I added my I added some gloss. I wasn't feeling the red lips, so I added Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Cabana Boy. Right. So guys, this is the final look. This is the final look. Right.